Hello everyone, today let's take a look on how we can create vertical fascia like this one in Revit. The tricky part to create is this and this, because Revit out of the box will not let you create this. So let's now first pick our work plane, and I will go and try to create something similar. So let's say something like this. Now I would mirror it around, and as you can see, this fascia is hosted on model lines, so I have created the model lines. And now I would go with my roof fascia and place the fascia on model lines. As you can see, I can do it easily on the parts that are horizontal or sloped, but on the vertical parts I cannot do it. So if I try to go, I can, but you can see here I cannot. So the trick to do this actually is to first create this part a little bit sloped. So I would create it like, let's say like this. Now I can add a segment to this part and also this one. And now if I will select all of this and move it back, vertical position, you can see that it let me do it, and now it is connected and I have my vertical part of the fascia as well. There is one trick to this, because if I would try to do this without this part which is not vertical, like let's say that I would have only vertical part and I would try to do the same trick, and I would add a segment, it works. And now if I will try to move it back, you can see that it doesn't let me do it, that it wants to delete the fascia. And that is because you have to have at least a little small part here that will not be vertical, that will be horizontal, or let's say sloped in some different direction. So if I would add here a little part like this and add it to my fascia, and now I would do the same thing, you can see that it works and it stays connected and it creates a nice fascia that has vertical parts in it. So this is how you can create a vertical fascia in Revit.